There is a clear distinction between a traditional influencer and a UGC creator. As a user-generated content creator, you are not selling access to a personal audience or a high follower count. You are strictly selling your ability to produce effective content. Indian direct-to-consumer brands are actively shifting their marketing budgets. Instead of paying premium rates for polished influencer campaigns, they are sourcing authentic, unpolished product videos to use in their Meta and YouTube ad campaigns. For anyone starting in 2026, this means your current follower count is zero barrier to entry. Your content quality is the only metric a brand evaluates when deciding to hire you. By the end of this tutorial, you will learn to build a 6-video portfolio from scratch and send your first outbound pitch to an Indian brand. To start, you need only 4 physical items: a smartphone manufactured after 2022, a mini tripod, a light source like a basic ring light or a bright window, and 4 to 6 products you already have around your house. You do not need to rent a studio or purchase high-end camera equipment. With a modern phone and just a few basic household items, you have the necessary gear to start production today. Step 1 is deciding what you will film. Select a high-demand category like skincare, tech gadgets, or wellness, and pick products you genuinely use every day. Once you have your products, follow the strict rule of UGC formatting. You must capture the viewer's attention in the first 2 seconds. Open with a clear problem statement or a bold claim to stop them from scrolling past. From there, you need to master 3 core video formats. The first is the testimonial or review. Here, you speak directly to the camera, explaining your honest experience with the product and who it is best suited for. The second format is the product demo. This is a real-time recording of you actively using the item in a real-life setting, like applying a skincare serum in your own bathroom. And the third format is the unboxing. Brands use this style to capture your natural, authentic first reaction as you open the packaging and handle the item. Record all of this footage vertically in a 9:16 ratio. Do not try to make it look like a highly produced television commercial. The footage must look authentic, like a recommendation recorded by a friend. If you can comfortably shoot a testimonial, a demo, and an unboxing, you possess the specific skills required to fulfill the vast majority of standard brand briefs. With your footage recorded, step 2 is assembly. Download CapCut. It is a free application and serves as the industry standard for editing this type of content. Inside the editor, you will trim dead space to create clean cuts, add text overlays to emphasize your key points, generate readable auto captions, and keep any background music at a very low volume. You must pay close attention to your sound. Bad or muffled audio will instantly ruin an otherwise perfect video. Clear vocals are required. Export your finished videos at 1080p. To host them, upload the files into a free Google Drive folder or a free Canva site to generate a single shareable link. Do not attempt to contact any brands yet. You must wait until you have at least 6 to 8 completed sample videos live in that hosted folder. That single link now acts as your entire portfolio. It replaces a traditional resume and gives marketing managers immediate proof of your value. Step 3 of the process is distribution. Go to LinkedIn and update your professional headline. Specifically state that you are a UGC creator, list your chosen niche, and note that you produce content for D2C brands. Setting up a creator storefront on platforms like Zocera adds a parallel income stream. Any followers you do have can earn cash back on purchases through your link, while you continue to earn content fees directly from brands. Next, build a target list of 30 Indian direct-to-consumer brands. Use LinkedIn to locate their marketing managers, or check the footers of their websites for collaboration email addresses. Send them a highly specific pitch. State your niche, offer your 3 core formats, and prioritize attaching your portfolio link. Keep the copy brief so they can get straight to watching your samples. Executing this outbound pitch strategy puts you in control. Instead of relying on a social media algorithm to distribute your work, you are placing your portfolio directly onto the screens of the people who manage marketing budgets. As you start negotiating, it helps to understand realistic starting rates. A beginner working with Indian brands typically earns between 1,500 and 5,000 rupees for every delivered video. Expect rejection early on. Most creators secure their first client after sending 10 to 15 pitches, and usually only after sending a follow-up message 5 to 7 days later. Once a brand says yes, you must negotiate usage rights. If a brand uses your video as a paid ad, charge an additional usage fee. That standard fee is a 30 to 50% surcharge applied directly on top of your base creation rate. Finally, to convert these single projects into recurring revenue, deliver ahead of the deadline, request a written testimonial, and pitch a monthly video package. Standardizing your pitch process and building towards monthly retainers creates a path to recurring revenue, all without ever needing a large audience.